Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Myntri Rangbah kecela ukonrat ke sangma. Hakasni palais potri ujemang ulayo alat bani kenduk kerpang yaki Paidbah jangka Southwest Khasi District Hasin Viani Auditorium Mokorwan. Hakaba laidan rengkat lang Dango MLA Karanikor uba Renekton Lingdo MLA Kamokorwan uba Manstadi Nongrem MDC Langren uba Hirian Lingdo MDC Kamokorwan uba Rowel Lingdo MLA Barem Kamokorwan bat kiwi-kiwi ki officer sorkar. Hakini kejelang Myntri Rangbah lokhat kerpang yaki Paidbah Southwest Khasi District kanang banyak sengau daladie ya kakya kashan bagi Paidbah ki mat ki jing e kirang ba snong kinoy lam seng bhalang kinoy lam jeng ki seng san hima baper kinoy lam niam baper kilawani shimenta hagani ki jing elang klem khanya ki jing per seng ni ki jing per niam hendrai bantrei na menta ka roi ka pa jong ni district hagani ki sngi kinoy lam jeng ki seng baper bat ki niam baper kila ai ki Dorkhas shaw Myntri Rangbah kanang ba on pai khmat lem ya ki jing e ki Paidbah ki kendo akaliang ka surong ki hospital ki school but college ka umdi but kiwi-kiwi.
It's a memorable day for me, and I really am encouraged with the spirit with which our chairperson, Mr. Lyngba, has put this forward. That today, I know we are all have got our own organizations, we have got our own different views and ideas. We agree sometimes, we disagree sometimes, but that's how the world is. And in spite of that, we all know that there are certain things that are common to all of us. And there are certain things that we all need to be working together. And it really is encouraging today to see people from all walks of life being here today united in one voice, saying that we want to see a change in Southwest Khasi. I think it's truly encouraging. And as the Chief Minister of the state, it encourages me, it motivates me, it strengthens me, and it pushes me to ensure that I do as much as I can to ensure that we can live up to the expectations of the people. It's not easy. It's not easy. And as a state government, it's not easy for us to solve everything in one day or in 1 year or in one shot. But let me tell you that all the points that you mentioned in this main memorandum that was submitted and signed by all the leaders of political parties, MPCs, organizations, religious heads. Let me tell you, you'll be surprised to know that in the last 2.5 months that we've been there, we have almost started moving on all these points that you mentioned. Almost all these points. And I'm happy to inform you that in most of the points that were mentioned in this and the other memorandums that were submitted to me regarding the road connectivity, we have taken those up already. And I don't want to jump the gun because I know if I say something now, then you will catch me tomorrow. So I have to be very careful. But yes, so I'm very careful with my words. But let me tell you, things are moving at a very fast pace. The road from Moma through Pynroi up to Mokorwan is one road that we have very much stressed on. We have told the government of India that this is a very, very critical road for us, and we need this to be